Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy King's Life in the building, man. What's up with y'all, man? I just wanted to give y'all a little POV, somewhat POV driving in the Chrysler Crossfire. Man, I didn't realize how fun this car was, man, until I just hit the gas, man. I really don't, speed in this car that much. Only if I really have to. And man, I can tell you one thing, that this car is fun to drive because you can just weave out of lanes without no problems. It ain't like super fast like how my ZL1 was, but it's fast enough to get out of traffic. I just love it, man. Crossfire, I can say now that I didn't make a bad purchase, man. But it is fun, and that's what I like about a car, man. The ZL1 Camaro, it was fun, but I really didn't have fun with it because I was always worried about if it was gonna lose control from the back end. This car here, I can just punch it and it'll just go. It'll just hook like it ain't nothing, man. It can hook like it ain't nothing, but and it'll go. This car is pretty fast, you know what I'm saying? It comes with like 200 and something horsepower. I gotta check, but man, it ain't super fast, but it's fast and it's fun. So if you want to get you a car, man, make sure you're gonna have fun with it. Don't just buy it because everybody else got it. Get you a car that's gonna make you smile when you get in it, when you punch the gas. You know what I'm saying? When you weaving out of traffic, when you passing up in cars. Get something that's gonna make you smile every day, man. And this car definitely make me smile, and I have fun with it. I know I have a lot of Crossfire fans out there, so you know what I'm saying, and I know y'all builds are pretty cool too. I wish I had the SRT6, but at the time when I was looking for this car, looking for the SRT6, they couldn't really find it, man. They hard to come by. So if you got an SRT6, man, please take care of that thing, man, and try to hold on to it because they might be worth something later on. But I'm definitely gonna hold on to this car, man, for a very long time. I do like the way the wheels look when I put the 20s on here. Now I will be changing the 20s. I will keep the 20s in the back and then probably go with the 18 or a 19 in the front. That way I can get that smooth ride, just the way I'm getting now. So that way I can keep weaving out of traffic, man. But man, yeah, this car's so fun. You can get on the straightaway and just hit the gas, and this thing gonna fly. That back wing back there, it'll definitely let you know when you're going too fast, because it'll rise up by itself at 65 miles an hour, man. That's the cool thing about this car, really, is the wing. That's probably why I bought this car, actually. To be honest with y'all, I really like the wing. I remember when they first came out with this car, and I wanted it, but I was still in school and I wasn't making that much to even buy something like this. I would have to see how much this car went for back in the days, brand new. Now, if y'all know how much it was brand new, y'all comment down below and let me know how much was this car brand new back in the days, man. But I only had one big problem with this car, and it was an electrical issue due to this the gear shift module. So if y'all don't know, man, if one of y'all modules go out in y'all Crossfire, the whole car pretty much goes down. Like it won't do anything. I ran into that problem. The car was pretty much down for like a whole year because I couldn't find a good shop that could fix this car and figure out what was wrong with it. The car was just sitting at multiple shops, and finally, man, I found a good shop in Humble, Texas called K's Auto Halls, and they have a 3-hour electrical testing that they use to find out any kind of electrical problems. And man, sure enough, 3 hours later, they found it. They found the issue. They called me. They say, hey, man, found the issue. It was a gear shift module. Can't get it brand new, but I can get it used. So they found the gear shift module, put it in. Haven't had any issues since, man. The car been running really good, other than been changing fluids like oil You know, that's not a big deal. If you can change it yourself, you're looking at about a little bit under $100 out the door at Walmart. So you know what I'm saying, if you can do it yourself, learn how to do it yourself, it'll be way cheaper than going to the actual oil place or the dealership. You know what I'm saying? I highly recommend you do it yourself. All you got to do is just look at a video on YouTube and you can find out how you do it. But like I said, man, this car is very, very fun, man. I know I'm bouncy right now because the suspension is very bouncy in this car. I really like that about this car. It feels like a race car, you know what I'm saying? Because everything is so bouncy. I know a lot of people don't like that because it's very uncomfortable to be bouncing the whole time. But for me, I like that. You know what I'm saying? I like that race car feel. But let's see what this car got, man. As soon as when this truck get out of my way. Yes, sir. So as you can see right away, man, this car is fast. Car is fast, man. And it definitely goes, man. Especially it do lose control a little bit in the back, like you can feel it fishtailing a little bit, you know, but not real crazy, but not enough to scare you, man. So that's the good thing about this car. And it's just fun, man, just very fun. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick video of this crossfire, man, POV type of video today, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It's your boy King's Life checking out with another video, man. I'm out. Peace.